Okay, starting with numerical number 11, unsolved numerical. Two cells of EMF 1.5 volt and 2 volt having respective internal resistance 1 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel. Okay, your battery having internal resistance always comes on the left negative terminal side, and your internal resistance, both of them are connected in parallel. Okay, this battery having 1.5 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm, this battery having 2 volt EMF and 2 ohm internal resistance. Okay. Okay, so as to send current in the same direction. See, if this battery sends the current, it will send from this direction, positive terminal से current निकलता है. If this battery sends current, even this will send current from this positive terminal. So both of them sends current in the same direction, means this is the connection. Okay, through an external, okay, sends current in the same direction through an external resistance. Here will be the external resistance. See, both of them will send the current in the same direction, and that current will flow through the external resistance having resistance 5 ohm. Find the current through external resistance. Okay, now from here suppose current I1 comes, and from here suppose current I2 comes. At this junction, two currents are coming towards the junction and one current is leaving the junction. So what will be that current? That will be I1 plus I2. So what current will flow through 5 ohm resistance? That will be I1 plus I2. So we are asked to find the value of I1 plus I2. Okay, this I1 plus I2 will flow. Okay, this I1 plus I2 will flow towards this junction, and after coming at this junction, this I1 plus I2 will break into two parts. I2 will flow towards this terminal because we have I2 over here, and I1 will flow towards this terminal. Now let's apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in this first loop. So let's name the loop A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so applying Kirchhoff voltage law in loop A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Okay, now here you apply Kirchhoff voltage law. So we starting from A, then this direction, then this direction, then this direction. While coming from A to C, there is no resistance. But while going from C to D, there is resistance and even the battery. Now your direction and the direction of the current is opposite. So here it will be positive potential difference, that is I2 into the resistance. Current into the resistance, and while going towards this side you cross the positive terminal of the battery and you end at negative, so it will be -2. While going from D to F, no resistance, but while coming from F to A, your direction and the direction of the current is same, so it will be negative potential difference, that is I1 into the resistance, that is 1. And see, while coming towards this side you cross the negative potential or negative terminal of the battery and comes towards the positive, so it will be plus 1.5 is equal to 0. So 2I2 minus 2 minus I1 plus 1.5 is equal to 0. That is 2I2 minus I1 minus 2 plus 1.5. Minus plus is minus, so 2 here. 10 minus 5 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0. It will be 0.5 बड़े नंबर की साइन. What is your बड़ा नंबर? 2. तो इसकी साइन it is equal to 0. So I can say 2I2 minus 0.5 is equal to I1. This is your equation 1. Now let's see our second loop, that is, let's name it B, M, N, O, P, E, D, C, B. ठीक है, we'll write that. Okay, let me draw the loop first. B, M, N, O, P, E, D, C, B. From B to M, then this, then this, then this, then this. Okay, chalo. Let's write that. It will be easy when we'll write the name. Applying Kirchhoff voltage law in loop starting from B, B M N, B M N, O P E, OPE, OPE, DC, DC, then B. See, we started from B and we are ending at B, means the loop gets completed. Now while coming from B to M, no resistance, M to N, no resistance, but from N to O there is a resistance. So, and the direction of the current and your direction is same, so it will be negative. And which current is flowing towards the resistance, that is I1 plus I2, and the resistance, that is phi. While going from O to P, no resistance, P to E no resistance, but E to D no resistance, D to C there is resistance in even the battery. Your direction and the direction of the current same, so in that case potential difference, that is current into resistance, current is I2 and resistance is 2. And while coming towards this side, negative terminal of the battery is crossed and you stop at positive terminal, so it will be positive 2, okay, is equal to 0. Let's open the bracket, minus plus is minus, I1 into 5, minus plus is minus, I2 into 5, minus I2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now see, minus I1 5, minus minus plus, 5 plus 2 7, I2 बड़ा number is 5, उसकी sign, plus 2 is equal to 0. Now if you see, we have the value of I1, we can substitute that. So before substituting, if I take this I1, chalo we take this I1 on that side, minus 7 I2 plus 2, we are taking it on right hand side because it has negative sign with it. minus I1 को हम लोग ने यहाँ ले लिया तो positive हो गया. So minus 7 I2 plus 2 is equal to, now what is I1? I1 is 2 I2 minus 0.5, 2 I2 minus 0.5, I1 की वैल्यू सब्सिट्यूट कर दिया और ये 5, minus 7 I2 plus 2 is equal to 5 2s are 10 I2 minus 5 into 0.5, 0.5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 5 zeros are 0 and 2, so it is 2.5. ठीक है. Now let this 2 be on this side, minus 2.5 on this side, so plus 2.5, 10 I2 over here, minus 7 I2 comes on this side, so plus 7 I2, 10 plus 7 is 17 I2, 2 plus 2.5 is 4.5, so I2 will be 4.5 upon 17. This will be, okay, this is the value of I2, that is 4.5 upon 17. We'll substitute the value of I2 over here, that is 2 I2 minus 0.5. 2 I2 minus 0.5 is equal to I1. So 2 I2 we have obtained 4.5 upon 17, 4.5 upon 17 minus 0.5 is equal to I1. So 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9.0 upon 17 minus 0.5 is equal to I1. I will multiply and divide by 17, so that the denominator becomes same. So 9.0 minus 17 into 0.5, 5 7s are 35, 3 5 1s are 5 and 8, 0 7s are 0, 0 1s are 1, sorry, 0 7s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 5 8 and 0. After point we have this one digit, so it will be 8.5, and in denominator common 7 is equal to I1. So 9.0 minus 8.5, 10 minus 5 is 5 and your 0, so numerator will be 0.5 upon 17 is equal to I1. This is the value of I1 in amperes, and the value of I2 is 4.5 upon 17 in ampere. We want the current flowing through the resistance, that is I1 plus I2. What is I1? 0.5 upon 17, and what is I2? 4.5 upon 17. So 0.5 plus 4.5 is nothing but 5 upon 17. So 5 upon 17 ampere is the current flowing through the resistance, external resistance.